Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel One to Step. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get Runaway Aurora filter on Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get it. And it's pretty simple, but before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's get on with the video. Now the first step is you want to go to your Instagram's camera. For that you want to swipe right like this, and then your Instagram camera opens up. After your camera opens up, you want to swipe left until you see a search button. I'm going to show you how it looks like. It looks like just like this. Now this search button is used to search for effects, and another one filters. Alright, so we're going to search for it. Now once this thing opens up, you want to click on it. Now once you're over here, you want to click on the search icon. You want to click on it, and you want to search for Runaway Aurora, just like this. Search for it, and these are all the Runaway Aurora filter. You can use whichever you want, but I like the first one, so I'm going to click on the first one. After you click on the first one, just wait for some time until it plays, and this is what the filter looks like, and this is basically what we want. So we are going to click on try it. Once you click on try it, the filter will be loaded on your phone, and you can use the filter however you use the other normal filters by holding this button. Now I can't do it right now because I'm recording my screen, so it won't allow me to shoot a video, but basically you guys know how you guys can record a video, right? So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.